Julian Assange's lawyers over Tuesday and Wednesday are trying to convince these two High Court judges that there are grounds for an appeal before he is extradited to the United States. They are trying to make that argument in a few ways. The first is by claiming this is a political prosecution, that the United States is trying to charge and ultimately sentence Julian Assange on espionage charges, not because he broke the law, but because of the political fallout from those hundreds of thousands of diplomatic and military disclosures that caused great embarrassment to the United States at the time, and still they say the US is trying to punish him for. There's another argument too, that there is a broader case here about political and press freedoms, about whether a publisher of documents can be charged and should be charged with espionage. And the third argument his lawyers are trying to make to the court is that if Assange is sent to the United States, he could end up in prison in a very difficult, tortuous, they say, situation with the notorious US jails and the poor conditions there. But lawyers for the United States say that they have made accommodations enough and guarantee that he would not be receiving cruel and unusual punishment if he were imprisoned in the US. And they also say that these charges are not political, they are in line with US law. The two judges making this decision will make their decision on Wednesday, and then there'll be a very short moment where Julian Assange's lawyers can make an additional appeal, no longer in the UK, they've exhausted that option, but can make an additional appeal to the European Court of Human Rights, potentially before he's put on a plane from London to the United States. Stuart Smith, SABC News, London.